You clock in, sit in your worn-out chair, and do spreadsheets for 8 hours straight. Then you get home, watch some Netflix, and get ready to do it all over again. Knowing everything it took to create those neat, flashy, and automated spreadsheets, and looking at the title of this video, you might ask, why the hell would I want to remove my Excel formulas? The 64-bit version of Excel that we're mostly using doesn't place a hard limit on the computing power of Excel. Back then, to the 32-bit version, it used to be that Excel could only use up to 2 gigabytes of memory. This meant that it didn't matter if you upgraded your system memory to 4 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes, or even 16 gigabytes, because Excel was hard stuck with its 2 gigabyte memory maximum. Now, a lot of Excel's computational features are hardware bound, meaning that the capabilities of Excel are now only bottlenecked by the system you're using. I'm pretty sure we've all encountered spreadsheets that are way too big for Excel, to the point that we get memory exhaustion errors, incredibly long loading times, and sudden crashes. Those are often extreme cases where Excel is pushed beyond its limits. And let's face it, Excel isn't exactly optimized to handle big data. But more common is that we're bound by the hardware that we use. If you're the average Joe, you probably wouldn't be shelling out thousands of dollars to get that 3090 upgrade or that 128 gigabyte kit of DDR5 RAM. That's if you can find some in stock. And that is one main reason why we might want to remove formulas from Excel. Apart from your data, Excel also stores the functions and formulas that you put in them. Generally, the more complicated the formula is, the more system memory it uses up to run them, thus leading to slow performance. Another reason why you might want to remove formulas is reports generation. Suppose you want to send a report to a client in the form of a spreadsheet. It'd be best to send the file only containing the values so that the file can be small enough to fit in an email and to help the client avoid moving a cell accidentally and messing up all the calculations. In this video, we're going to be talking about 2 incredibly simple ways how we can remove formulas in Excel while retaining the values. In this sample file, we have a bunch of financial data. We can see in the total balance column that we came to this value by getting the sum of the cells beside it. The first way of doing it is selecting the row with the formula we want to remove. Copy it using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-C and paste it as values. There's a couple of ways you can do this. You can use the paste button on the left of the Home tab and select Paste as Values. You can go ahead and do the shortcut Ctrl-V, and with the Paste Options dialog present, press Ctrl again and the letter V to paste as values. The formula is now gone, but your values remain. There's another neat trick you can use to do this at half the time. Select the column or cells that you want to remove formulas from. Go to the border until you can see the cursor turn into these 4 arrows. You're going to press and hold the right mouse button and move it outside, then back, then let go of the right click. A pop-up appears where we can select Paste as Values or simply press V as a shortcut. Do note that this only works with cells that are grouped together and will not work with multiple broken selections. That's some Excel tips and a little bit of tech talk for this week. If you found this video useful, please do give us a like and comment down below for any more Excel tips and tricks you guys might need. Make sure you're subscribed to Simple Sheets for more Excel tricks and templates, and I'll see you guys on the next one.